It's back. The single most popular and successful down payment assistance program in Florida's history is back, the Florida Hometown Heroes program. But it's not going to be around for very long, so you're going to need to stick around. The Florida Hometown Heroes program is designed for first-time home buyers working for Florida corporations, as well as veterans and active duty. So if 2024 is your year, this is your summer to take action. In this video, we're going to take you behind the scenes and show you a little bit about what this program offers and who it's designed for, as well as how to stay ahead of the pack and get this money before it runs out. Before we get started, a quick note for the channel. If you like this sort of content, consider liking this video, sharing, and subscribing. So the rumors you may have heard through the grapevine are true. As of July 1st, 2024, the Florida Hometown Heroes program is going to be relaunching with a starting fund of $100 million in down payment assistance funds. Now, that may seem like a lot of money, but if we wind the clock back 1 year and look at what happened at the same month in 2023, the $100 million it started with last year ran out in about 5 to 6 weeks. So what does it mean to you? It means you're going to need to act quickly if you're going to get a hold of those funds. We're going to show you in this video how that happens, but first, we're going to go behind the scenes a little bit and show you how the program works and who it's designed for. And then we're going to move on to how you can take action. So the Florida Hometown Heroes program is designed for Florida homes only, and it's designed for first-time home buyers, as well as veterans and active duty service members. With this program, you can get up to $35,000 in down payment and closing cost assistance. It's one of the most vigorous programs you can get, not only because it'll give you all the way up to $35,000 in assistance, but because it allows major improvements over most down payment assistance programs that'll allow you to make as much as $132 up to $150 more per year and still qualify for down payment assistance. That's extremely rare for these types of programs. The Florida Hometown Heroes program is designed for first-time home buyers or home buyers who haven't owned a home in the last 3 years. It's also designed for veterans and active duty service members as well. You can only gain access to this program through an authorized participating lender through Florida Housing. Florida Housing provides the down payment assistance itself, and then we, as an authorized lender in the program, provide the loan itself. And we coordinate with Florida Housing to make sure that your down payment funds have been allocated and are there at the closing table to meet your closing date. So everything kind of comes together at one point. So let's talk about the program real quickly, and here's what you can expect. If you're eligible, you'll receive up to 5% of the new loan amount in down payment assistance, ranging from a minimum of $10,000 all the way up to $35,000. In most cases, this covers all of your down payment requirement, plus some additional funds to use for your closing cost. Here's what you'll need to know to qualify. First, you'll need to be a first-time home buyer or a person who hasn't owned a home in the most recent 3-year period, or perhaps a veteran or an active duty service member. Despite the fact that you're getting a lot of money with this program, you're still going to need some of your own money or have access to a family member who can assist you through a gift or perhaps a motivated home seller. So how much money will you need for this program? It'll depend upon the price of the home, the loan program that you're using, as well as the down payment for that loan program. Take a look at these charts, and you may want to pause the video to study these. This is an FHA loan with a 3.5% down payment. This is a conventional loan with a 3% down payment. And this is a conventional loan with a 5% down payment. Now, at least one applicant who will be living in the new home must be employed full-time by a Florida-based business. Now, this business must have a headquarters or a brick-and-mortar location located in Florida. Now, work-from-home employees must report to work out of a specific Florida location to qualify. Work-from-home employees must report to a specific location, and the employer needs to confirm this location in writing. If you're self-employed applicants can qualify for the program, but you will need third-party confirmation of full-time work status, and you can get this through a neutral third party, say a CPA, bookkeeper, or licensed tax preparer. If you're a veteran or active duty service member, this program is magical for you. First, you're automatically eligible for the program as long as you stay within the income limits for your area. Most of my clients use their VA home loan benefit to purchase a home loan with no money down and use Hometown Heroes assistance funds to cover their settlement charges. Think about it. little or no money out of pocket to buy a home. It's like a force multiplier for VA loans or a VA loan on steroids. But if you're a veteran, you're not limited to only using a VA loan. You can still qualify for the program with a conventional, FHA, or even a USDA home loan as well. Now remember, if you're a veteran or active duty service member, you do not need to be a first-time home buyer, nor do you need to be working for a Florida-based employer to qualify. So one of the other things you'll need to qualify for, as with most down payment assistance programs, is the income limits for your area. And this is really probably my favorite part about this program, and it's really what makes it popular. The reason I say this is because the income limits for the Hometown Heroes program are the highest I've ever seen for a down payment assistance program. You can get in some counties up to $132,900, all the way up to over $150,000 in income and still get down payment assistance for a home loan. It's just simply amazing in this area. The income for all borrowers on the loan application need to be below the maximum income limits for the county where the home is located. I've developed an easy chart that you can access for free so you can look up your county, so be sure to check out the link in the description below. In most counties, again, you can make up to $132,900 or even higher in your county and still get down payment assistance from Hometown Heroes. And as far as credit qualifications, you do need to be approved for the home loan itself, and that can either be a conventional, FHA, VA, or USDA home loan, and the applicant does need to have a minimum middle FICO of 640 or higher. Now, here's what you need to do to get ahead of the pack. First, the program is going to be officially launching on July 1st. So you really need to be getting your application in way before that. So as early as you possibly can, you should be applying with a participating authorized lender. Now, we've made it really, really easy. We are one of those authorized participating lenders. You can actually learn a lot of great information through the website. I'll include a link in the description below. But you can just call us. We'll go over the application criteria, make sure you're eligible. Then you can do the application online and you can get pre-approved for your new home loan. And then you can be out shopping. Now, that's going to take you a few weeks. As soon as you get under contract on a home, simply tell your loan officer, and then we'll go ahead and take that contract, begin your loan processing, and then also contact Florida Housing to reserve your funds while they're still available. So in order to beat the rush, again, you need to get your pre-approval done as soon as possible. So jump on the website, learn more about the program, run some of the calculators if you want to, check out the income limits for the county you're looking to purchase in. Get as much information as you can, give us a call, we'll go over your loan scenario, confirm your eligibility, and then begin the application process. Once you provide the documents in the application, we can generally have you pre-approved within 1 day, up to 2 to 3 days, depending upon the volume that we're working with and the complexity of the scenario. Once you're pre-approved, you can go out and shop with confidence. And then as soon as you're under contract on a home, simply give us a copy of the executed contract. We'll start the loan paperwork, and then we'll go on to Florida Housing site, and we'll, as an authorized lender, reserve your down payment assistance funds while they still are available. So again, if you can envision yourself living in your own home, not renting, not taking orders from a landlord, and this summer has been on your mind, this is your chance to act. So again, head over to Unconventional Lending, check out the Hometown Heroes program. We have a lot of great information there. And of course, we would welcome a phone call from you so we can review your scenario, confirm your eligibility, and get you out there shopping for your dream home. Thanks again for watching. I'm Derek Bisson, and this is Unconventional Lending.